Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to print a web page in Google Chrome without having to deal with the print dialog box every single time. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to locate the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop. This is typically the icon you use to launch the browser for your everyday browsing sessions. Once you've found it, go ahead and right-click on the Chrome shortcut. This will bring up a context menu with several options to choose from. From the menu that appears, look for and click on Show More Options. This expands the menu to reveal additional settings and configuration choices that aren't immediately visible in the standard right-click menu. These extended options give you deeper access to Chrome's properties and settings. Next, click on Properties. This will open a new window that displays detailed information about your Chrome shortcut, including where it's located and how it launches. The Properties window is where you can customize various aspects of how Chrome behaves when you start it up. Now, within the Properties window, you'll see several tabs and fields. Look for the Target field, which shows the exact file path that launches Chrome. This field tells your computer where to find the Chrome application and which parameters to use when opening it. The Target field is crucial because it allows you to add specific commands that modify Chrome's behavior. Click at the very end of the Target field. You'll notice there's already a file path written there that points to where Chrome is installed on your computer. Position your cursor right after the last character in that field, making sure you're at the absolute end of the existing text. This is where you'll add your custom command. Now, add a single space after the existing text. This space is important because it separates the file path from the command you're about to add. Without this space, the command won't work properly and Chrome won't recognize what you're trying to do. After adding the space, type --kiosk -printing. This is a special Chrome flag that enables kiosk printing mode, which automatically sends pages directly to your default printer without showing the print dialog first. It's particularly useful when you need to print multiple pages quickly or when you're running Chrome in a kiosk environment where user interaction should be minimal. Once you've entered the command, click Apply to save your changes. This tells Windows to implement the modifications you've made to the shortcut. After clicking Apply, go ahead and click OK to close the Properties window. These buttons ensure your new settings are properly saved and will take effect the next time you launch Chrome. And that's it! You've successfully configured Chrome to skip the print dialog and send pages straight to your printer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.